Good morning everyone. And now I'm here at the hotel. So I will show you guys my room. Look at the outside. I will show you my room. Yeah, Room 203. Saan pagkuhanan ni?
Tuyok niya ba lang?
Paana? Hala pa. First time. Okay. Tapos, bunluton ra.
Pag bunluton mo, balik ka lang sa bunluton lang.
Sige, sige.
Dapat ma...
Ako rin kayo na wifi. I will show you guys. So, we will have tour. Wow, this is the room. Look, so nice. Kuha pa kaayo. And there is a free coffee. So yeah, coffee here and 2 bottles of water. And if you want to order for food, so there's a menu here. Look, wow, it's so nice. And a mirror. Yeah. This is my attire, guys. Anyway, so and this is for the dress. So if you have a dress, you put here, and we will see the bathroom toilet. Oh, it's so nice. Look, where is the light? Is here for the light. Okay, lights on. Okay, it's so nice. Wow, wow, very nice, very plain. Yeah, but expensive room anyway, but it's okay. If you want to, oh, there's a blower, guys. Wow, it's nice. So that's why expensive. And yeah, so this is for good two person. No vacancy for single. So I decide to get a double size because no vacancy, guys. The one hotel is no vacant, the other hotel no vacant. So this is my last hotel that I found. The vacancy is double. So you see this is a 2 person. Yeah, because no vacancy single. So yeah, and yeah, the outside here, look. So I like, yeah, it's not bad. Anyway, the rent is $50 24 hours. 24 hours, $50. So 2,000 pesos Philippine money. Yeah, and yeah, second floor there is meron sila mga emergency evacuation plan. Yeah, No smoking. No allowed smoking here. To cigarette, no smoking. No, not allowed. So it's nice painting, right? It's so nice painting. So yun lang, guys. Tables here, and there's also a television. So yeah. Hi, so I'm here again to relaxing, guys. Oh. Yeah, relax. Wow, it's time to relax. That's nice. Don't forget to thumbs up, guys, and subscribe my channel.